In part 3 of the estimating demo, we'll have a look at the markup classes, the values screen and the schedule of rates. Once the takeoff is complete, the material and labour classes can be accessed and the profit and labour charges all viewed on the same screen. I have an ideal profit level already set in my system defaults, so I don't have to keep re-entering them, but they are easy to change from this screen. Prelims can be added and ghosted over the schedule of rates, and this screen can be set to pop up reminders of what you may need to include costs for. The Values tab brings it all together, and here we're warned of unpriced or unlaboured items and a new feature, sections that are either not marked as complete or are empty. The Values page then clearly shows our net costs, the value and percentage of our profits, our total net costs and our total sell prices, and some nice on-screen graphs to help with the at-a-glance scenario. An instant schedule of rates is available on the screen, and this can be printed out in virtually any format, either from the system standard reports or your own bespoke ones which you can create in the report designer that comes with the software. Finally, the values page has a key weapon. Here you can enter your own final figure, and the software will alter the profit figures either up or down on either the material, the labour or both. One click will perform the calculation and the software will indicate its closest match. The values page is updated automatically and the results clear for all to see. The schedule of rates is automatically recalculated as well, saving the time, the effort and the stress involved in the usual handwritten methods. Thanks for watching the presentation, and if you have any queries or questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact us.